So good evening everyone. Welcome to another vlog. The streak continues for day 15, no? We're halfway there. Halfway there na tayo, no? So yes, we are able to do for May 15, no? And it's still May 12th, 2025, no? For me. Pero it's evening, which is around 9:10 in the evening, no? And what's funny is because, di ba kanina, nagkaroon ng election day. So, the entire day, voters are coming in and out of schools, no? So, ang nakakatawa dun is, for me, alas 5:30 kami nandun, no? Simula kanina alas 5:30 ng umaga. But then, natapos kami around 7:40 ng umaga, which is 2 hours. Bakit? Kasi yung ACM machines or yung voting machines are literally, yung common error doon was kinakain ng ballots pero walang resibo, no? Sa precinct namin, no? So kinakain ang ballots but walang resibo na lumalabas. So pero okay na, at least na-solve naman namin after 2 hours. Pero nagkita nga lang yung mga seniors and PWDs plus ang mga regulars, no? Kasi talagang regular voters na yung 7 to 7, no? 7 ng umaga hanggang 7 ng gabi. So nakita kami, no? So lalong dumami yung tao by that time. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng hindi naman social anxiety, social battery, parang ganun, nade-drain yung social battery ko. Although wala naman ako kinakausap, pero the fact na I'm facing a lot of people, doon parang iba yung aura. But good thing, kasi nakatulog ako na mahimbing. Alas 4 ng hapon, alas 4:45 ng hapon nakatulog ako hanggang alas 7:30, no? Alas 7, 7:30, 7:25 to be exact, no? Pero grabe talaga yung tulog ko na yun. So parang yun nga, na-drain yung social battery. Kaya medyo drain pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Pati yung energy ko yung energy ko ngayon depleting pa rin. Sorry naman, but yeah, that's the case talaga for hindi naman extroverts and introverts, eh. It's just that's the case for ambiverts na empaths. Ambiverts pa pero empaths, dami kasi mga problema ng mga tao dun, as in I'm feeling and sensing all their problems. Kaya nakaramdam ako ng ganon and na-drain ako. Imagine, nakakatawa kasi 10 a.m. 10 no mag 11 10:45 a.m. natulog ako, no? Tapos nagising ako ng around 12:30 kasi nag-lunch. Tapos around mga 2 o'clock or 2:30 natulog ulit ako. Tapos hindi ako nakatulog masyado, no? Kasi parang gising-gising yung diwa ko. Pero nung nag-snacks ako, nag-merienda ako around 4. Pero nakahiga pa rin ako, ha. Pero nung around 4, I woke up, I sat down and gumising ako para mag-merienda. And after that, tulog ulit. 4:45 tulog ulit, no? Hanggang alas 7:20, no, yung nagising ako. And I feel like in a little while hindi ko na naman kakayanin, makakatulog na naman ako na maaga. Ganun kasi talaga ako pag drain yung social battery ko. Like, tapos ang dami ko pang panaginip kanina. Just may marimar. But, uh, sorry naman. Ganun kasi ako eh. While I was listening and, having sleep meditation. Kasi, ewan ko ba nahihilig na rin ako sa sleep meditation lately. And yung sleep meditation na yan gives me a lot of parang how do we say it, dreams. Marami akong panaginip na although bad pa siya sa ngayon ng mga panaginip kasi kanina naging kontrabida yung crush ko dati nung high school, elementary days pala, crush ko siya. And ngayon married na siya, but naging villain pa siya ng story ko, ng panaginip ko na yun. Sorry naman. But anyway, the frequency that I meditated with na pure tone was 258 hertz pure tone. You can check that out sa Meditation Station channel, which is linked down below. And yeah, that's really it for tonight. Medyo pagod talaga ako. Pasadyahan nyo na. But, by the way, isa sa mga improvement ko na ginawa ko was, tada! I fixed the situation. Inayos ko. Kinuha ko yung balbas. And, wala nang balbas. Actually, the previous video, yesterday's video, was actually no first time. Kaya ako hindi napakita nung June 12. By the way, that was Independence Day. Hindi ko rin nasabi sa inyo yon, but June 12 was the Independence Day here in the Philippines. Sensya na. Nakalimutan ko. But kaya hindi ako nakapagpakita because I promised you some changes, or huge changes are about to make sense in the next couple of days. As you're watching this, nag-unfold na ang malaking changes sa buhay ko. But as I'm recording this, papalapit pa lang ang mga kaganapan because it starts today. May 12 it starts today. And I'm at my third day of my devotion. Ewan ko ba kung gusto ko magkaroon ng devotion and on that spiritual side, no? Parang lagi ako nagpe-pray, ganyan. Nagpapa-positive affirmations, that kind of thing. So yun, parang ang dami kong updates, no? Pasensya naman kayo. But yeah, it's just like this lang, no? Medyo na-drain lang yung social battery ko, but I'll be okay. Tomorrow will be a fresh start for all of us. May 13, 2025. And hopefully everything will be okay for me and for all of us, no? Kasi I really want to recover pa. Kasi wala pa, hindi pa ako nakaka-recover from the drained social battery. Drained talaga. So yeah, hindi nga ako halos makaligo today. Kaya parang mag-freshen up lang siguro ako a little bit later. Yeah. Hindi ako nakaligo because naligo ako earlier this morning. So, may balita na shipped out na. Okay. So, yung isa sa mga items na binigay sa akin, delivered sa akin, shipped out na daw. So, sponsored by people pero not sponsored by the company itself na. So, if you are willing to sponsor me, no, please do so. Sa inyo, I have 3 companies in mind right now who I'm planning to work with. I know masyado akong ambisyoso for that, no? Pero I have 3 companies, no. Number 1 is ang Dujuso, which is coffee nila. I bought 2 boxes, around 99 each. 10 pieces daw sa loob ng box na yun. So, and I'll continue buying. Don't worry. So, para ma-sponsor nyo ako. At the same time, Nesty Cleanse, I bought 1 box from you also. Kaya sinasabi ko, mada-diet talaga ako. It's gonna happen. And there's no escaping it now. And also, one last thing is yung Biofit tea. No. I already mentioned that sa video last 2 days ago. But, 2 to 3 days ago. But, yun nga, it just so happened, hindi ako napakita. Pasensya na. So, yeah, without so much rambling, napagod na ako. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for giving me the encouragement, no, for today. Kahit na pagod ako. Alright, this is your host, Ryan Olishi, boy Shimran Suarez. Have a great rest of your day, your night, your morning, your afternoon, your evening, your, hindi ko alam kung anong oras nyo to pinapanood, but I'm probably sure 12 a.m. to. So, 12 a.m. ang upload time neto. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to it, wherever part of the world you are. Stay safe, everybody. I love you all. Bye bye.